Welcome to the heart of Maryland, a city alive with energy, movement, and charm. Captured in stunning 4K, this aerial journey shows you the hustle and harmony of a place where history and modern life collide.
From the streets, bustling with people and traffic, to skyscrapers piercing the sky, every frame tells a story of ambition, progress, and culture. Maryland's urban core is more than just busy, it's breathtaking.
Look below. See the morning commuters, the flash of headlights, and the symmetry of movement. Watch how the city breathes with every turn, a living rhythm only a drone can truly capture.
The sun kisses the rooftops. Historic buildings stand proud beside sleek, modern towers. This isn't just a city, it's Maryland's beating heart, balancing tradition and transformation.
As the drone glides above parks, markets, and highways, feel the pulse of daily life. Whether it's a local grabbing coffee or a child chasing pigeons, every detail adds to the city's unique soul.
High above, the view stretches beyond the limits. Bridges in the distance, water shimmering in the light, cars forming ribbons on the roads. The city never stops, and neither do its dreams.
Drone footage gives us what few ever see: the scale, the beauty, the motion, all stitched into one powerful perspective. Maryland's urban life in pure 4K clarity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more breathtaking drone journeys across America. This is SHEZYZONE, where the world looks better from above.